Back to Everpreneur, and today we're going to be talking about why your Amazon FBA business can benefit from Instagram. Now, this is a super cool one, guys. I don't know a lot of people that have talked about this, but this is like a massive, it's a game changer as far as FBA and how to grow your influence. Essentially, what would happen is you have your FBA product. It's on Amazon, right? It's fulfilled, whether you're starting out or you've been going for a little bit. And what you can do is actually you can enroll in the Amazon influencer account. And essentially it's like the affiliates account, but it's an influencer account, right? It gives you your own branded storefront. And what it allows you to do is to put products that are on Amazon and then promote them to your followers, right? So if I didn't have an FBA business, I could easily sign up for an influencer account, essentially find a couple products on Amazon. When the user clicks for the next 24 hours, you get a commission of anything they purchase within that 24-hour window. So commissions on whether the products that you've promoted, you get a commission on that, or anything they buy on Amazon. They could choose to buy a desk and you make a $100 commission passively, right? So that's one way is great. You can have your influencer account, choose a bunch of storefronts, but we're talking about FBA. So if you have a product on FBA, Amazon FBA, how do you actually get more, because what we can do is we can use like the power of, if you have an Instagram page, you want to promote your FBA product, you can just put your direct Amazon link up. That's great. You can put it up there. You can promote it with the swipe up feature. They can go to your product. But I would say take the extra step, sign up for an influencer account, and your product that's already on Amazon FBA, you now link to that through the influencer account, because whether you made it or not, it's a product that's on Amazon. You can choose your own product in the influencer account. Choose that product. Now make the influencer link the link. So Amazon.com/yourbrand. They click that, then they make one more click when they see the product that you're promoting. Now you've connected their account. So you can double end. You can double end the FBA sale. Meaning if I click that link, now I go to Amazon and I purchase your product. Not only am I getting the normal sale of the FBA product, I'm also getting an affiliate commission on my own product. It's like double dipping. The coolest part is that, let's say they choose to buy a couple other things when they're there, you'll also get commissions on those. And the even cooler thing is that, let's say you promote your product and, e-com products, even Amazon FBA, you're gonna not even, 10% conversion rate would be insane, right? So you promote it to 100 people on Instagram, to have 10 buy would be awesome. So what about those other 90 people? Those other 90 people, even if they click your product link, because you've sent them to Amazon, Amazon is going to reward you for that referral traffic. Even if they buy other things other than your product, you're still going to get a commission. So the bigger you build your Instagram page, and if you had 3 FBA products on your link, even if you get 50,000 clicks and only 300 of them buy your product, those other 49,700 people, if any of them choose to buy anything on Amazon that day, you're making an affiliate commission on that. And all those affiliate commissions could almost be, you could almost use those as the cost of the FBA product. Essentially, of course it's variable, but if you get a good amount of commissions, those could cover the cost of your FBA product, and the actual sale of your FBA product now becomes pure profit. So definitely, this is an easy hack. If you're on FBA, all it requires is 10 minutes of signing up for that account, switching the link in your Instagram bio, obviously building up your Instagram account more, which we show you how to do on this channel if you don't know, and then putting that link up. And now when they click, boom, you're getting an affiliate commission. You're double ending your own product. This is allowed by Amazon. I've spoken with multiple reps. It's allowed. If your product's on Amazon, why can't you promote to it, even if it's your own one? Good to go. So I really hope you guys make a ton of money with that one. And if you're thinking about Amazon FBA, I'll have another video where I talk about the monetization of Instagram and a course that I found for $1. It's a $1 course, basically free, that will teach you everything you need to know about Amazon FBA. So stay tuned for that, and make those affiliate commission, guys. All right, guys, I hope you guys loved that Amazon FBA video. Now, the next video coming up is going to be on that Amazon $1 course for you to learn everything you need to know about Amazon FBA, and it's coming up next. So check it out and enjoy.